Hey guys, this is your boy CliffordAKyei here. First of all, I love my cut. I just got a cut. Yeah, I'm going to Ghana. And I know I didn't tell you guys the videos before. Your boy is going to Ghana. If you don't know, I'm from Ghana, West Africa. By the way, welcome to my channel if you're new. But yeah, I'm going to Ghana. Going for a funeral. My grandfather passed away. My grandmother passed away first, but I couldn't go to that one. But this time it's my grandfather, and I'm going for a funeral, and I'm gonna be there for quite a while. So like, I'm literally leaving right now. Our bags are in the car. I have some of my bags here. I don't know how to feel. Yeah, let's go. I know I'm really black. Y'all probably can't see me, but guys, we're at the airport now, so yeah. Hey guys, currently on the plane. We're supposed to leave at like 10:45. It's like 10:50. But I like the plane. And I'm not sitting next to a window. I wanted to get the window seat, like get the shot of the window. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna probably have to switch my lens and creep in through somebody else's window, but
camera converts the picture into a television signal.
we landed. I can't hear myself. My ears are like, yeah. So, yeah. Can't wait to go outside. I gotta meet my mom though, so see you guys outside. I don't know if I'm speaking up. I can't hear myself. I don't know how low or loud I am, but I can tell you this though. It's hot. So me and my family out here, we're taking pictures. I'm gonna insert the pictures. I'm hot. It's not working. Like, it's really hot. I don't even know what the weather is right now, but just know it's hot. Hey guys, we're at Labadi Beach. We're at Labadi Beach. My mom, my uncle, and my mom's friend. It's really dark, you guys can see, but Ghana fried rice. I really miss it. Even though we have Ghana fried rice in USA, I'm gonna make y'all jealous by showing y'all my food. Leaving the beach. I'm really full. The food was really good. My phone is on 1%. Tomorrow we'll talk about how the vlogs is gonna be since I'm here. I'm really black right now, but pardon me. honestly, being tired is not even a word. We're in the room now. This is where we're gonna be sleeping. Our bags are here. We're only staying here for a day, and we're going to Kumasi. Don't know what to say. Thank you guys for watching this vlog today. I love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed. Today was the arrival, and we'll talk tomorrow. But I'm really tired, so forgive me. I gotta go. Don't forget to be blessed, be yourself, and be happy. Peace.